Today we are going to go over how to access and use Revit files from Striem. Let's dive right in. Alright, so we're going to navigate to the website. We're going to use the OS 100 for this example. So as it loads up here, you can see Revit is an option right here on this product card. So we're going to click to download there. Then you can see in Revit we have the OS 100. Each of the connections is labeled for size and type. So here you can see this is an outlet at 4 inches, and over here we have the inlet at 4 inches, and then each of the vents are 3 inches and listed as system classification vent. In the properties tab, you'll notice we have a quick snippet of all the pertinent information about the unit. So we have the capacities for oil and solid and the overall liquid capacity, along with the recommended drainage area for this unit. Up here we have the riser depth, where you can enter in your own number for burial. Automatically the file adjusts, and you'll notice we have baked into the formula here the maximum burial depth. So if I try to use a different number like 120 here, you'll notice that the risers do not move above the 90-inch mark, which is the maximum. Alrighty. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and come back by the channel for more Striem shorts.